This is FC75 factory in Paris, where they make FC75 whitening and lightening body milk. The best product ever made in Paris. FC75 that can remove white patches, skin tag, stretch mark, hyperpigmentation, melasma, green vein. Every skin problem, FC75 will treat it for you. FC75 is the #1 in the world. Best ingredient. This is making of FC75 face cream. FC75 lightening face cream. This is how they produce it in Paris. Wow. Everything is open for you to see that this product is very rich. FC75 lightening face cream. This is how they make the serum. FC75 whitening face serum. The only whitening serum that you can apply on your face direct. It takes away your pimples, black spots, smooth your face and make you flawless. Wonderful. Excellent. FC75. This is how they label it. This is how they label FC75 whitening serum. Everything is open for you to see that this product is actually made in Paris. Wow, the factory is so sweet. Very beautiful factory. Oh, this is making of glycerin, the best glycerin ever made in Paris. This is FC75 whitening glycerin. This is how they make FC75 whitening glycerin. The best glycerin that can make your skin flawless. Make your skin looks like banana. Woo! This is beautiful. FC75 glycerin. This is making of shower gel. The best shower gel ever made in Paris. Best shower gel. This shower gel is banger. Best.
C'est indépendamment de nous, hein.